So we are a few weeks into 2021 now. How are you feeling? If you need a little help to improve your physical and mental health this year, Andrea has some tips just for you. Welcome, Andrea.
Hi, Tracy. All right, so I wanted to start this segment with one of my favorite new books. It's called Anxiety Free with Food, and it's by Leanna Werner Gray. And the reason she wrote this book was because she was having her own issues with anxiety. So she wanted to see, because she's a nutritionist, if there's a link between anxiety and what we're eating, our diet. And she discovered through her research that a lot of people with anxiety are actually deficient in certain nutrients. For example, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, as well as amino acids, which is basically protein. I recently interviewed her on our Naturally Savvy podcast, and she was inspiring because she said that there is a link. If you actually change your diet, you can actually help your mental health. So that's really encouraging.
Now, based on what I'm seeing on your table, I'm guessing your next tip has to do something with oils.
So as you know, Tracy, there are good fats and there are bad fats. Bad fats like trans fats are not good for us. They increase inflammation in our body and they weaken our immune system. But good fats actually give us energy and they reduce inflammation. So some of the good fats that I love are olives and olive oil, avocado, coconut oil, omega-3s, nuts and seeds, and Malaysian sustainable palm fruit oil. Now, palm fruit oil is probably one of the least known healthy fats, but it's so good for us because it's high in something called tocotrienols, which is part of the vitamin E family, so it's great for our heart. It comes in two colors, yellow and red, and the red, as you can see, it has this beautiful bright color. That's because of beta-carotene, and beta-carotene is good for our skin as well as our eyes. Now, when looking for Malaysian palm fruit oil, you want to make sure it does come from Malaysia because they harvest it sustainably so there's no harm to the environment or the animals.
Ooh, good information there. Okay, now that we've talked about food, Andrea, what tips and tools do you have when it comes to our oral health?
So bacteria can build up on our tongue over time. So it's really important that we clean our tongue on a regular basis in order to prevent getting bad breath as well as poor oral health. What you want to aim for is to clean it with a tongue scraper. So you'll do it in the morning, before and after you brush your teeth, as well as after you brush your teeth at night. So I love this one from Dr. Tongues because it's made from a great stainless steel, good quality stainless steel, so it works really well. It has these soft grips, and it has a U shape at the top so it can reach the back of your tongue to remove it. Now, you can use your toothbrush as well, but a tongue scraper has been shown to be 5 times more effective than a toothbrush.
Now, it looks like you've got some cleaning products there, and knowing you, I'm guessing they're all natural. Am I right?
You have very good guess, Tracy, and yes, they are all natural. And it is so important now more than ever because we're spending so much of our time, or most of our time, indoors, that we switch our cleaning products to natural cleaning products. That's because, according to the Environmental Protection Agency, they actually say that conventional cleaning products are a source of pollutants in our home because they can contain perfumes, synthetic dyes, as well as sulfates. So these all-purpose cleaners from Nature Clean don't have any harsh chemicals, they're non-toxic, so they won't add to any pollution to our homes.
So I'm super excited for your next tip. As online and Zoom meetings continue to be the main way of doing business, we still want to look good, right? Even if it's from the waist up.
That's right. So even if some of us are not wearing pants to our meetings, that's okay. We still want our lips to look amazing. So this is a brand new line from The Care Principle by Dina Pugliese, and it's a lip care line. So she has lip liners as well as lipstick crayons and tinted lip balm. And what I love about this line, Tracy, and I know you do too, is that it's non-toxic. There are no harsh chemicals. They use certified organic ingredients, coconut oil, vitamin E, so it's creamy, and it comes in 8 different shades.
All of these shades are good for all of the different skin tones and complexions, and of course it'll look different on everyone depending on, you know, the color of your lips. But oh my gosh, I'm so proud of Dina. All natural, vegan, and all of those great things. Now, I know you had one other thing you wanted to talk about, Andrea.
This is from New Roots Herbal, and they have a line of 100% organic essential oils. Amazing for cleaning. You can put them on your hands, you can smell them, you can diffuse them, as I'm doing right here. And they have clove bud, they have lavender, and they have tea tree. So tea tree is great for cleaning products. Clove bud can actually help relieve an aching tooth. So you can put it on topically right onto your gums. And lavender, of course, a couple of drops on your pillow make a world of difference when it comes to sleep. And if you have sniffles or you have a cold or you feel it coming on, Cold Q is an oral spray. It's made with a blend of 8 different herbs that have been proven to help support our immune system. Spray it in the back of your throat 5 times, and you can repeat 3 times a day.
Very nice. Thanks, Andrea. Really good tips there. So many tools to help us on our health and wellness journeys, and that's what we need. Thank you.